All right, so we are going to take a look at this entire area just north of the Turnpike by St. Catherine. You have, this is obviously the Homestead Rec Center. That's where we're starting at. And we're going to take a loop around to take a look at the Newell area. That's where they're just starting construction. Case and Hammock, Citrus Grove, St. Catherine. You'll see the new Hawkins Phase 2 in this as well. Let me know in the comments. I believe this is the night where you can stargaze out here in this little area. But let me know in the comments if you have been out here and what actually, how it goes, if it looks great, the stars. I'm sure the skies are clear most of the nights unless it's rainy, because I know from where we're at, but the light pollution, I'm not sure if it's worth it. It's probably why they have all the trees around it. I'd like to check it out at some point. Then you can see the other side of the Homestead Rec Center. This is going toward the Turnpike now, and then we're going to turn east toward Newell. And this is the continuation of Morrison. That road's going to run right through here and keep going east right along parallel to the Turnpike till it comes out to 470. You have Newell, Dabney, and cannot remember the third one. Lake Deaton is the third one. South of the Turnpike here, this is all villages actually, where all that green is that you see south of the Turnpike in this area. The villages owns all of that property as well. And that's where the new hospital will be going. Shands. You can see they are working on this a little slowly. They're just getting ready. I'm sure it'll pick up pretty soon when they're done with West DeLuna. I know they're very close on St. John's, and they have to be close to, if not completely finished with West or Hammock at Fenney. However, I know that they will be doing the 301 bypass through there as well. This is kind of a long video, so in the description down underneath the video, I will do the link to the times for the specific neighborhoods that you're looking for if you want to look at specific areas of the villages. And I'll do timestamps where you can just click on those timestamps and it will take you directly to that spot that you want to see. We're going to take a close look at the Bexley Bridge, or Bexley. I don't even know now. I've pronounced it wrong so many times, which will become the Southern Oaks Bridge when it's all finished. You're going to get a peek at that soon, and then we'll get a close-up of that. This whole area down south of the Turnpike, there's going to be a couple championship golf courses. You're going to have not the hotel, but the hospital, which is going to be a big, huge hospital. You can see the bridge in the background there. And this is also where the rest area is. It's in between these two areas on the Turnpike, and that's the last rest stop before you get to I-75 if you're headed north toward Wildwood. This is a pretty cool view. You have an overlook of St. Catherine, Citrus Grove, Case and Hammock, and then you actually have Hawkins Phase 2, which is going to be called the Village of Linden, I believe. They have it on the map as Linden. Everybody that has been mentioning it has been saying Hawkins Phase 2. So if you hear me call it either, that's what it is. And then, of course, you have Bradford and Chitty Chatty. Those areas are in here also, but we're not going to really visit a whole lot of them as we go along in this video. Now this is a close-up view of Citrus Grove. Flying over, we're taking a look. We're north looking south over the turnpike. Citrus Grove bumps up along the Southern Oaks golf course, which is a championship golf course. And then right in the middle of Citrus Grove and Case and Hammock, you do have the Zell Rec Center, which we'll take a closer look at. The Zell Rec Center has the Southern Oaks, Sawgrass Grove entertainment, where they're going to have live entertainment, McGrady's Pub, outdoor market, and all of those type of things. That area is still under construction. The Zell Rec Center, I believe, is finished, but all the little restaurants and things should be finished shortly. You'll get a close-up view of some of that. And they are coming along, I would say probably within the next month or two. They're starting to take things down over there, and I don't like to put timelines out because I'm sure the Villages does not want anybody saying anything like that, but just judging off of what's going on over there and how far they are in the construction, I would say St. Catherine's really come along in the last year. It's filled up. It's such a nice area over here. I love all the walking trails around the outside, biking trails, which are separate from golf cart trails, which makes it really nice. And the views you can see even in the morning and especially at night with the sunsets are fantastic. It's just a really nice area. I still think Hawkins has the best sunsets, but that's just me. And here's the Sawgrass Grove area here. As we get close up, you can see all the construction going on. Quite a bit has been done over here. Obviously, they're still working on it. McGrady's Pub is right in the corner in the bottom right here. And then you have the stage and the outdoor market. It's all coming along quite nicely, I believe. McGrady's will probably be done within the next month, I would say. They're hanging lights and doing all the things that you would typically do when you're about ready to open, so I would assume that'll be open pretty quickly. This area has come quite a long way since they started working on this. And then you have the train car, which is going to be the stage, of course, for the live music. It's kind of like a square, but not really a square. They're not calling it a square. They're definitely going in this direction. This is how they've been doing the last couple areas for sure. Here's the top view of the Zell Rec Center, and then you have the little putting course. This is to the west. I have been corrected like 18 times, and this is not a pitch and putt. I'm sorry. I can't help myself, but this is a putting course. You have all the putting holes, and it looks fantastic. They keep it in really good shape. Obviously, it's the Villages. These people are out here at like 7 in the morning, like you guys always do, up and at it early, which I really love to see. Obviously, I'm out here doing this, so it's quite interesting to see the differences between the Villages and everywhere else comparatively. The times they get going in the morning, the activity level, it's really impressive. Now this is the Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course that we're about to fly over. It actually leads straight to what will be the Southern Oaks Bridge when completed. It's going to be the first multimodal bridge that the Villages has built. So golf cart, car, walking right over the turnpike, and it's going to lead to the southern area when they build it. The grass has really grown in on the Southern Oaks course. They were having a hard time with it just a few months ago, I feel like. But I've been doing videos down here for so long, it's just like I don't know, sometimes I forget how long it's really been. But you can see the bridge here coming along. They're supposed to have this done, I believe, in 2023 is what they said. So next year. And they're working pretty diligently on it, though. They've really come along and got the access points on both sides pretty well built out. And then you can see on the southern side they have a path leading over there where they were taking dump trucks in and out. All those mounds of dirt, I believe they're doing testing so they can start to see where how they want to direct the water. And then you, in the background there, you can also see where they're burning some of the trees and brush that they plow over during this whole deal. This used to be all cow fields. It's amazing the construction that they've done in this area. There was literally nothing here before. If you've watched any of the other videos that I did, Fenny, the spring at Fenny was actually they would let their cows drink out of the spring so they wouldn't have to do anything for the for the waterer. And the villagers actually cleaned that whole area up. And this is the rest area I was talking about. And then over to the left, you can see where the roads are leading in, where they've been taking dirt in and out. There's quite a bit of activity going on over there on that 470 side also, where they're doing the new family housing area. They are taking dirt in and out of there, that Middleton area as well. And then we're coming up on this Hawkins Phase 2 or Linden, whichever you prefer. That area is really coming along. Quite a bit of the construction looks to be finishing up over there, along with St. John's. Richmond will be under construction soon, I'm pretty sure. I drove by it. I did notice they were doing quite a bit of stuff over there, so I'm going to try and get over there this weekend. I have both kids in sports right now, so it's kind of tough. This area is the new Hawkins area, close up, or the Linden area for what they have shown on the map. Now, when you drive into this area, I'm 99.9% sure that it says Hawkins on the front. I'll have to double check, but when I did check it on the map, it showed this area as Linden. I don't know why. So if you know, drop a comment down there and let me know. I know you all typically let me know anyway, whether I want it or not. But this is that Hawkins Phase 2. Like I said, you can see the houses. Last time we did a video over here, a lot of these were under construction. Some of them weren't even built yet. Now it looks like they just need to sod and do a few other things and they'll be done. We're going to finish up going through Hawkins Phase 2 in the Linden area. I will let you watch it without me yapping. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, I will see you in the next one.